It's a 2016 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Twin-turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, first and second row sunroof, rear wheel drive, rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Every generation has its Ford. This is yours. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
For the entire car buying and ownership process, Sandpac's 5-star Ford Carrollton is here to help. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at I-35E and Crosby Road in Carrollton, Texas.